It generally consists of the concerted effort of a person or people to prevent an internet site or service from functioning efficiently. Perpetrator of DOS attack typically target sites or services hosted on high-profile web servers such as banks, credit card payment gateway, and even root name servers. What are the symptoms of denial of service? Unusually slow network performance and unavailability of a particular website. This is done by engaging a server with unwanted requests. Inability to access any website is also a symptom of denial of service. Dramatic increase in the number of spam email received. This type of DOS attack is considered as an email bomb. A distributed denial of service attack occurs when multiple systems flood the bandwidth or resource of a targeted system, usually one or more web servers. These systems are compromised by attacker using a variety of methods. Let's see how denial of service works. Malware can carry DDoS attack mechanism. One of the better known example of this is MyDoom. DOS mechanism was triggered on a specific date and time. This type of DDoS involved hard coding of the target IP addresses prior to the release of malware and no further interaction with necessary to launch the attack. A system may also be compromised with a Trojan, allowing the attacker to download a zombie agent, or the Trojan may contain one. Attackers can also break into a system using automated tools that exploit flaw in the program that listen for connections from the remote host. What is the difference between DDoS and DOS? The basic difference of DOS and DDoS is that in distributed denial of service, multiple machines from different locations try to engage a server or website. And in DOS, one-to-one interaction occurs to engage a machine or a server. Impact of distributed denial of service is severe than denial of service. It should be noted that it depends upon condition, situation, and target. You can see the diagram how denial of service attack is planned. The attacker attacks a vulnerable machine and controls that machine for the DOS attack purpose. Most of the times, bots are used for DDoS attack. You can see the type of distributed, or we can say the denial of service attack. First one is Smurf attack, buffer overflow attack, ping of death attack, teardrop attack, SYN attack. Concern of the reflected distributed denial of service, or we can say concept of reflected DOS. Permanent denial of service attack and mitigate the DDoS and DOS attack. What is botnets? Botnet can be defined as a collection of compromised hosts. Bots are spread like a worm and virus. If once installed, they respond to a remote command. How a network of bots work in this target as an automatic machine that can be programmed to perform specific tasks. Bots machines are also known as zombies because it behaves like zombie machine. If you see platform for many attacks are spam forwarding, click fraud, keystroke logging, and distributed denial of service attack. What are the serious problems that arise by this attack? As we have seen earlier, DOS is the main concern of banks and online merchants. These problems arise because most of the hosts are connected to the internet, and if it is vulnerable, then it is easy to compromise and control. Let's see the propagation technique used by the bots. Listed here are some of the common bots used in DDoS attack: Agobot, SDBot, Spybot, GTBot. As you can see the diagram, a single bot master control machine which behave like a command and control server. These CNC server control other victim machines that further propagate denial of service attack. Hence, in this way, this attack is controlled. As we have already discussed the DOS attack and its effect, it is important to know the technique used for detecting and preventing these type of DOS and DDoS attack. You have to configure antivirus for this and also need to upgrade your intrusion detection system for botnet traffic. You have to monitor your network traffic so that you can analyze the data packets and make an alert for any malicious activity in the network. Apply filtering in TCP port 6667 and install intrusion prevention system if needed. Use a secured system and a secure application in your network. Be careful and become a smart user. Let's start with a demonstration of LOIC. It is used for the DOS attack purpose. Let's see. Right click, run as administrator. Okay, this is the interface of the LOIC, which is called the low orbit ion cannon. You have to specify the URL of the target on which you want to do the DOS attack, or you have to specify the IP address. Suppose you want to attack on a website has a domain www.xyz.com. After that, you have to lock the target. As you lock it, you will get the IP address of that. After that, you have to specify the method. Because it is a website, you have to put the HTTP. If you want to select the method TCP, then you can. Okay, as per the need, you have to select the method and then you have to increase the number of threads, put up to 1000, and then you have to click on this button so that the attack will be started. Right now I'm showing the demonstration of LOIC on my local host. I am already hosted a website and I will show you a demonstration of LOIC on that. Let's see. On my local server, I have hosted a website of DVWA. If you can refresh it, you can see this website is running on my machine. I'm logging it. You can see this website is running on my machine. Okay. Let's check after the fact of DOS attack how we will find the changes. So I have to provide the IP address. And I log the target. Right now I'm taking the TCP method. Number of thread is 1000. And then I start. Attack started. You can see the request. Now check what happened to the website. You can see the changes. Now I'm loading the website. It takes a time. Let's see, as I refresh it, it takes a lot of time to refresh it. Now I'm trying to put the username and password. Let's put the username and password. And password. Okay, and try to log in. Let's see, I'll stop the flooding. Stop it. You have seen the demonstration that the website is not able to log in because by using I'm using the tool LOIC, which actually doing the DOS attack, it engaging my machine or the website, so it will take time to load. Okay, so we have seen the demonstration of LOIC, which is used to do the DOS attack, and it is quite able to implement if you are using it by using a multiple machine and to target a single website. So this is the demonstration of LOIC.